Tired of generic ads that get lost in the scroll? Let's leverage AI to create authentic UGC that converts for your dropshipping business. The key to effective dropshipping ads today lies in real, relatable content while you're what we call user-generated content, or UGC. Creating this manually is time-consuming and expensive. That's where AI steps in. Step 1. Understand your product and target audience. What are the unique selling points? Who are you trying to reach? This foundational knowledge guides your AI prompts. Step 2. Harness AI image and video generation tools. Tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, or even specialized AI video creators can generate realistic visuals. Be specific with your prompts, describing the scene, the person, and the action related to your product. Think about scenarios your ideal customer would be in. Is it a busy parent using a time-saving kitchen gadget, or an adventurer showcasing your outdoor gear? AI can create variations of these scenes quickly. Step 3. Assemble and refine your UGC ad. Use AI-powered editing tools to stitch together your generated clips, add engaging music that fits your brand vibe, and overlay compelling text highlighting product benefits and a clear call to action. Step 4. Optimize and test. AI can even help analyze which ad variations perform best. Upload different versions to your ad platforms, monitor your results, and let AI guide you towards the most effective creative. By integrating AI into your UGC ad strategy, you streamline content creation, boost authenticity, and ultimately drive more sales for your dropshipping business. Start experimenting today and watch your marketing bloom.